Why does my plate have all the loose appendages?
I don't know.
I tried to give Kitty some legs.
His little thigh muscles are freaking me out. What's wrong with this one? What happened there?
So, we have a cricket eating challenge brought to you by Indie Artist Market, located where? 1725 Madison Ave. All right. The benefits of eating crickets: they're good. They're a good source of protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they may benefit gut health.
Really?
Plus, they're more environmentally friendly protein, often than other animal-based proteins, such as chicken or beef. So crickets is way healthier than eating meat.
Would that, if we made like a cricket burger, would that be considered a meat alternative? I'd be okay with eating him like that, but he has a face.
Here we go.
Ew.
2 crickets apiece, sour cream and onion flavor. And we're gonna rock, paper, scissors and see who goes first.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh no! No!
Pick it up.
You don't want to touch it. He doesn't want to touch it.
You're gonna eat it.
You want me to pick that up right there?
Can you go ahead before the paint particles
You're
get
gonna
on
have
it?
to eat it.
It looks nasty. Who does this? Okay.
Kenny, you're about to eat it.
Okay.
Why are you not gonna touch it?
Look at it. So we're gonna be eating these guys.
Very high in protein, minerals, and healthy fats. We're out for good health and gut health until 2023, right?
Right.
What are your expectations? How do you feel like this will taste? Starting with Cara, how do you feel?
I feel like the texture of his furry little abdomen is gonna make it hard for me to register any specific taste. I hope it tastes like chips. I really hope it tastes like chips.
I feel like this will taste like have a nutty consistency for some reason, and I feel like it's gonna be shallow. I feel like it's not gonna. I feel like it's gonna be more shell than a fulfilled. Not like a.
I feel that these crickets.
We're made for walking.
I just can't walk. I got all y'all's legs.
Right. Robin's viewing now. She says, eat it.
Robin, we saved you one.
Where are you at?
Do you want any hot sauce, Kenny?
Oh, no, not right now. I mean, I never had it. This is a dry taste. So
Should
we
I bring out some sauce?
Look at his lips.
Wait, do we got more crickets?
No.
Oh.
Eat it.
No.
I'll
Okay.
say yours. I feel like I'll feel better about mine because these guys are hefty.
Yeah, those are hefty.
Those are serious.
They're on steroids.
He's the man, so he needs the more protein.
Yeah.
No, I feel like there's going to be no team.
We're doing a
Is
favor.
this says it protein on this
We
box?
care about you.
So, we have the drumstick.
Majority of the drumsticks are over here. I'll give you one.
Look
Kenny.
at this tiny one.
The
No,
drumstick.
those are my drumsticks.
Yeah. I took your legs.
And then we have the breast. We each have the breast of the cricket. Yes? Cool. It also have wings. This sounds so much like chicken. So what if it tastes like chicken?
Then we're gonna go get a whole basket. I know where to order them from exclusively.
All right.
I can get them and toss in chili powder. I should sell crickets. I'll season them myself, like cheddar, sour cream and onion, and like a barbecue chipotle.
All of those sound delicious, but then you look at them.
Wait. Then we got the rump, which is behind the cricket. I'm looking at a diagram that's on this box so you guys can be in touch with what we're about to ingest.
Cricket
in our
ass.
stomachs.
Cricket asses.
Rump.
We're all about to eat cricket asses.
Thank you.
That's where all the protein is.
India, this market.
Whose idea was this? These have been like chicken fried, so
We sound stupid.
No, we don't.
It's just you right
we
now.
sound
It's
like
just
we're
me.
procrastinating.
We are. I'm stalling. Okay, so we're gonna play. What's the word? rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the first straw to eat the cricket. Are you with us? Yes. Loser eats the cricket. There's 2 crickets on each plate, and here we are, ready to entertain you. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Put this on a little bit.
That's Robin's.
Robin, we're saving you a cricket because it was 7 in here, and Robin, we want to include you on things like this, especially. All right.
Okay. All right.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Wait, is it 1, 2, 3?
Yeah.
We do it
1,
1, 2,
2,
3, go,
3.
and then we do it.
Yeah, or shoot, or go, or however.
1, 2, 3, word, and then we do.
All right, 1, 2, 3, word.
Okay. I'm very scared.
All right, ready?
This is awesome. All right. Wait, somebody say it.
I think we're just stalling. I know I'm stalling.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh man, Robin! Ah! Robin just entered the room and she just has her baby cricket. She's not in the frame. She needs to get in here. Close up. Let them see the body.
The body.
It's real. Hers is really small.
But it's
Easy.
entirely cricket. There's a head. It has a head.
It has a lipstick. I feel relieved.
To go first now.
All right.
No,
You go. You have to go first.
Yeah, you gotta go first.
Yeah. In case you think.
Not a whole lot of crunch.
Okay, it kind of sounds like popcorn.
It's soft-ish.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang. Now we got.
Carrie wins and you and I gotta go. Okay.
Yes. Wait a minute, I'm not ready. All right, I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah! Woo!
Oh, you.
This sucks.
Wait.
Ah! Oh. Oh, why did I look at it? Don't look at me! Oh. Ah!
Why did that one sound so much worse?
Ah.
Oh,
It's a little bigger.
Ah.
Don't make a face. You know it ain't bad.
It tastes like a burnt popcorn kernel, sort of.
Hey.
my stomach just started hurting immediately.
Let her take you out, ain't it?
All right, you too.
I just hold my eyes closed and then I peek out one eye and see what happens.
Hey.
You got this.
We both have to eventually eat it.
I got a potty.
I'm thirsty. I got body.
I know, I can get her my phone.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you're
Wait,
next.
I got a rock.
Nope.
No, you
Yeah,
don't.
sorry.
Yeah, cut him.
Wait a minute.
You got paper.
Nope.
We
You got
got
paper.
footage.
No, we don't. That
Make it
camera
for Robin.
off. I'm just playing. Okay.
All right, take the position. Assume the
No,
position.
I would say it's worse to go last because feel my heartbeat.
What? It's just a cricket.
Oh, what's wrong with it? It's just increasing the anxiety.
It's like boom, 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 boom,
This
boom,
game.
boom, boom. Put your face in the frame.
E.T., I come home. Alright, here we go. I'm not ready for this.
Are you ready for this?
Down on up.
You can't go in the camera frame. We can't see you. No, not that one. The one right there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no. Well, look at the camera in front of you.
Look
Never mind.
Look all around.
No, look at the one in front of you because they really want. TikTok needs to see you, not Facebook.
I feel like I saw his gag reflex.
Ah,
He did say
that was just disgusting. Oh.
Just in case we liked it, to dip it in a hot
You
sauce.
may like it. We
Yeah,
can do
yeah, no.
things for the next one.
Yeah,
You want to do a
like
little
it.
drop
Yeah,
of hot
go
sauce?
like it.
It'll just keep
Yeah.
running.
Okay, so this one go. Eat
All right. Woo.
That's not that
You got this, Kari. Hold on. You got to presume position. You just got to take it over here.
Of course, because he's
She's shaking. By the way, she's shaking
You got to go over here. Oh,
with
okay.
anticipation.
Okay, there's my cricket. And my shaking. go.
You gotta get down for the line. No, we can't see on the line. You got this rock, paper, scissors?
Oh.
Does that count? Does that count? My
It's
left
building
eye is just
character.
leaking. Right
It's
now.
crying when you drop it.
Okay.
You're just so excited.
It tastes like something I'm not supposed to eat.
Ooh.
How you feel, Kitty?
I feel great.
It's stuck in the back of my
Like it
throat.
never happened.
Are you ready to eat this one?
Nope.
Oh, flip 'em over.
Would you eat another?
No.
I brought out some seasonings and sauces so we can really spice it up a little. Pour some
There you go.
cheddar on
Can I
me.
add some hot sauce?
I want a drop of hot sauce too. You want a drop of hot sauce?
Yeah.
Part two, since we love them so much, we added our own little sauces. There's nacho cheddar and Louisiana hot sauce.
AKA Death Scene of the Cricket.
It does look like a vicious murder.
I feel like we should do like a whole skit from NCIS. So, the body was found underneath the bridge.
So we're all gonna eat at the same time?
Okay.
This is weird.
Yep.
They can't see your face.
Oh,
You
yes.
have an opportunity to cheat, and I'm not happy with
Okay, so we just throw it in and do. So should we eat with our mouths open and make a crunchy noise so the people can enjoy it?
There was a bunch of
I can't-
sound.
Mine
It's
was.
soggy
was
as yours.
crunchy.
Mine was too. You just have a wet mouth.
I just ate mine.
Okay.
it. No, you
You
didn't.
ready?
No, you didn't.
Are you gonna slurp that?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's do it.
On the mark.
Yes, I go, or
Yeah, on the mark. You ready? Set. Go. Kitty,
What? You're not going. Oh.
go.
Oh.
that was a terrible idea.
Your beard. It's covered in cheese.
Dang it, I drank all the freaking juice.
Oh.
You struggling.
Oh.
I bet that was salty.
Oh, great.
It wasn't bad.
Mine was really salty. Very much this flavor with the still crunch of tree bark.
Okay, I got popcorn.
I think the first couple chews feel like popcorn, but then you start to like, I don't know if it's the wings or the little muscle thighs that they have, but there's something that kind of lingers in the back
The
here.
rump.
The rump.
The rump. It's whatever that is right there.
Ass. Cricket ass.
Oh, man. That's
Brought to
hilarious.
you by Indie Artist Market.
I cried.
Did we enjoy ourselves?
Man. This was great.
Would you eat crickets again?
No, I will not. I mean,
Well, you might as well get used to it because I'm bringing in more bugs.
it was not, great.
You
But
ready
you guys
for
are
the-
You
awesome.
got a leg left.
That's not my plate.
Just my party. I
A little drumstick.
didn't eat it.
Alright, so we're gonna go back and watch this video too and share the laughter with you guys. You guys tune in, we make sure to tag you on the next videos for the next upcoming video as well.
And a piece.
Bye.
Bye.